The following video shows the step-by-step procedure for changing the blade on the HE&M NG120, NG120XL, ABS NG120XL, NG160, and ABS NG160 utility band saws. Turn the power switch to the off position and disconnect the electrical power to the saw before performing any service or maintenance procedures. Once the power is disconnected from the saw, remove the screws that attach the back cover to the saw and set the screws aside. Remove the back cover to expose the band wheels and blade. The clutched blade tension knob is used to loosen the blade. Tension is removed from the blade when the tension knob is turned counterclockwise. Twist the clutch tension knob counterclockwise, grabbing the outside part of the knob where the ridges are located. This is easily accomplished by using the thumb and first two fingers. Only the ridged end cap of the tension knob assembly needs to be turned. It is acceptable to wear gloves when handling blades, but never advisable to wear gloves when cutting with the saw. Gloves can get snagged by the teeth on the blade, pulling your hand into the cutting area, causing severe injury or even death. With the tension off of the blade, push down on the center of the blade, pressing it out from between the roller guides. Remove the blade from the band wheels and pull it out clear of the blade guard. An important note to remember is that the blades on any of the utility saw models that have the letters NG in the name have a reverse rotation on the blade. These are different from any other bandsaw manufactured, and for that reason, attention needs to be given to which way the teeth point when installing a new blade. If the blade is purchased from HE&M Saw, it should be oriented in the correct direction. The teeth need to be pointed towards the cut. If the teeth are not oriented in the direction of the cut, the blade must be turned inside out to reorient the tooth direction. Install the new blade over the band wheels and into the blade guard. The teeth should be facing away from the inside of the saw arm. Apply some tension to the blade to keep it on the band wheels, but don't apply so much tension that the blade cannot be twisted up into the roller guides. Hold the center of the blade between the two guide arms and twist the blade up and in between the roller guides. Once the blade is seated between the guides, verify again that the teeth are pointed in the direction of the blade rotation. After verifying the blade rotation and the orientation of the teeth facing into the cut, fully tension the blade using the clutched blade tension knob, twisting only the ridged cap of the tension assembly. Inspect the wheel housing and blade to be sure the blade is mounted on the band wheels and reinstall the back cover. Reconnect the power supply and turn the power switch back to the on position. Pull the motor trigger switch several times to help seat the blade on the band wheels. Then, if everything appears to be functioning, hold the trigger and let the motor run for a few seconds. Check the blade tension again using the clutched blade tension knob. It is advisable to recheck the blade tension after the blade has made several cuts to compensate for any blade stretch that could occur.